As part of Exercise Guard and Protect 2016, there was a simulated shooting at the ship repair facility.
Obviously, it's very important. You look at our geographical location, right? Japanese forces have a lot of assets in the area, and it's predetermined. It's designed to work this way. If we come under attack or any major incident and our forces become overwhelmed, it's understood that we're going to work with them, and between that bilateral cooperation, we're going to get the job done.
The exercise gives U.S. and Japanese forces the chance to learn different techniques and procedures from each other, improving our overall security force.
As we streamline that relationship between the two forces, we'll be able to come together and we'll be in a better position to take care of it. So we're looking forward to working towards more drills in the future and strengthening that relationship and improving our responses to events like this.
Petty Officer Zachary Hale, Fleet Activities Sasebo, Japan.